Starting a business from home offers numerous advantages, including flexibility, cost-effectiveness, and the opportunity to work in a comfortable environment. However, like any entrepreneurial endeavor, it requires careful planning and execution. This guide will walk you through the essential steps involved in establishing and growing a successful home-based business. Before diving into the world of entrepreneurship, take the time to assess your skills, strengths, and interests. Consider the following questions. What are your areas of expertise? What are your passions and interests? What skills do you possess that can be monetized? What problems or needs can you address through your business? Understanding your skills and interests will help you identify a business idea that aligns with your strengths and passions. Once you have a general business idea in mind, conduct thorough market research to assess its viability. Identify your target market, evaluate competitors, and analyze industry trends. This research will provide insights into whether there is demand for your product or service and how you can differentiate yourself from the competition. Additionally, consider reaching out to potential customers or conducting surveys to gather feedback on your idea. This validation process will help you refine your business concept and ensure that there is a market need for your offerings. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap for your venture, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It typically includes the following sections: executive summary, a concise overview of your business; company description, detailed information about your business, its mission and vision; market analysis, in-depth research on your target market, competitors, and industry trends; product or service line, a comprehensive description of what you will offer; marketing and sales strategy, how you plan to reach and attract customers; organization and management, your business structure and key team members; financial projections, revenue forecasts, expense estimates, and cash flow analysis; funding request, if applicable. If you're seeking external funding, outline your needs and repayment terms. Creating a business plan will help you clarify your business concept, understand potential challenges, and attract investors or lenders if needed. Creating a dedicated workspace within your home is crucial for maintaining productivity and separating personal life from work. Consider the following steps to set up an efficient home office. Choose a suitable location. Select a quiet area with ample natural light and minimal distractions. Organize your equipment. Invest in essential office supplies, furniture, and technology required for your business operations. Establish a productive routine. Set regular working hours, define breaks, and create a schedule that allows you to balance work and personal life effectively. Ensure a professional environment. Make your workspace visually appealing and professional, as it can impact your mindset and interactions with clients. Creating a conducive home office environment is key to maintaining focus and productivity throughout your entrepreneurial journey. Depending on your business idea, you may require funds to cover initial expenses, purchase inventory, or invest in marketing efforts. Explore various funding options, such as personal savings, loans, grants, crowdfunding, or seeking investors. Consider creating a detailed budget that includes both one-time startup costs and ongoing expenses. In addition to financial resources, identify other assets and tools needed for your business. This could include software, equipment, or professional services. Research cost-effective solutions and explore free resources available online. To establish a legitimate and compliant business, you'll need to register your venture with the appropriate authorities. The specific steps and requirements vary depending on your location and the nature of your business. However, here are some common tasks involved in business registration. Choose a business name. Select a name that is unique, memorable, and aligns with your brand. Legal structure. Determine the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and register accordingly. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Research and obtain any permits or licenses required to operate legally in your industry. Tax obligations. Familiarize yourself with the tax obligations for home-based businesses in your jurisdiction. Obtain an employer identification number, EIN, if needed. Complying with legal requirements from the start will save you from potential penalties and ensure that your business operates smoothly. Creating a strong brand identity is essential for attracting customers and building credibility. Develop a compelling brand strategy that includes brand positioning. Determine how you want your business to be perceived and identify your unique selling points. Logo and visual identity. Create a visually appealing logo and consistent brand elements that reflect your business's personality. Website development. Build a professional website that showcases your products or services, provides essential information, and facilitates online transactions. Social media presence. Establish a presence on platforms relevant to your target audience and engage with potential customers. Content creation. Develop valuable and relevant content to establish yourself as an authority in your industry and attract organic traffic. Building a strong brand and online presence will increase your visibility, credibility, and customer reach. A well-defined marketing strategy will help you effectively promote your business and attract customers. Consider the following elements: target audience. Identify your ideal customer profiles and understand their needs, preferences, and purchasing behavior. Marketing channels. Determine the most effective channels to reach your target audience. This may include social media advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, or partnerships. Pricing strategy. Set competitive and profitable pricing for your products or services based on market research and cost analysis. Sales tactics. Develop a sales strategy that outlines how you will convert leads into customers. This may involve offering promotions, discounts, or referral programs. Regularly analyze the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and adjust your strategy accordingly to optimize results. After thorough planning and preparation, it's time to launch your business. A successful launch involves several key steps. Soft launch. Test your products or services with a select group of customers, gather feedback, and make any necessary adjustments. Grand opening. Create excitement around your business launch by organizing events, promotions, or online campaigns. Publicize your launch. Leverage your network, social media platforms, local press, and online directories to spread the word about your business. Monitor feedback and make improvements. Collect customer feedback, address any issues, and continuously improve your offerings based on customer insights. A well-executed launch sets the foundation for a strong start and helps generate initial momentum for your business. Once your business is up and running, the key to long-term success is effective management and strategic growth. Consider the following practices. Efficient operations. Streamline your processes, automate tasks, and optimize productivity to maximize efficiency. Customer satisfaction. Prioritize exceptional customer service to build loyalty and encourage positive word of mouth. Monitor finances. Regularly review your financial performance, track expenses, and manage cash flow effectively. Scalability. Identify opportunities to expand your business, whether through new product lines, additional target markets, or strategic partnerships. Professional development. Continuously learn and improve your skills and knowledge through workshops, courses, or networking events. Regularly reassess your business plan and adapt to market changes and emerging trends to stay ahead of the competition. Starting a business from home requires careful planning, perseverance, and adaptability. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be well equipped to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities that come with entrepreneurship. Remember, success is often the result of hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.